The journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. The journey. Now watching so nyame e de adom ye na ye hia e wa fidikesi so e adom TV na wo hwe the journey TV show and then so metwa last week conversation no ye ni olama me e na twetwe nkomo enti ende so ye ba beto aso ne adom sukopa enti mesro obia enjebre na wo hwedwumade na ansa na no mamenda adom TV ase menda aboafo akukuda maso masen na watwe bia metimi di dwumade ebro ba bia owo ye give us clean care so ba siesie fie na efie enye kama wasiesie fie we na the time herbal mixture say eye atiridie malaria de na ha wode a wonya time herbal mixture bibia ebeye kama afeyemfa edek SMBs for si obema say obema no nheda enye wa wonim de mekire na say bibia enkoyi a mesro kope bi nanom na onom a wobegina wonai so pa afenya dua for say omo bie omo kwan say yare ben ena ha wonya ye dua beaters ne bia ebetimi aboa ama bibia aye kama empanyifo yi with Adom TV and Konama Entertainment and Abribia. We did the journey, bro. Me see the journey. We are here to inspire, motivate, and educate. It means said the spiritual season, dear. Obibia, onim bibi fa won kra no. Wosia bibi ba akum na also obeka nya wo ho. Na wo ho say life no and that what trasa. It ye ne me ni olama me eguso a etoa ye nkomo twetwe no. So it means rajibre na tena sina ne ye bedomu akomu pa. Olama me akwa bibio.
Yeah.
The sign ejo akwa badoba Adom TV. So last week ye kasa bebre wo de ye afam. Na this week no ye sign abefam because me hu enema bebre soul travel, spirituality, healing nenyama and me ameti ha minim hu nim de. Obi so wo fi onim hu nim de. A lot of people are being scammed somewhere that enke also they should go to the right place but because of the ebi obi dia ye ninti osim me ka me nko matia bre ene yenya opinion pa ohima wo fi ha de fayen form na yen how useful it is as a person so beteki or spiritual matters very very important.
Okay, me that's essential what you for so life is spiritual. Okay, ask yourself say utrini kra utwa eye den esanfu omore no a free habit drew her utwa hakra but yes still no exactly so it will tell you we are spiritual beings. And you know when we talk about spirituality as a soul living in this vessel, you need to take your spiritual life very serious because one obi betumi age wanyonyam obi betumi how obi betumi akum obi betumi asesa with destiny obi betumi asesa with shebre on krabia sa anyoma. So with spiritual life they are very important say obema wani akwa than the physical one and ebi won so they focus more on the physical
than the spiritual.
Exactly, yes and in this, it's balance. It has to, you have to balance it into no we need the physical nature no ama when so edi sunsum nature and yes I say car unhwe engine say ada engine be break now when I don't say car anybody no and fast so be any so
that's what she say you go me sound the any okay it's now was spirituality you're taking it serious soul travel and because of war and then me ko baby na me hu am say me hu be soul travel it's like wona o de ba Ghana
exactly
even if it's there na ye nim it because videos bi a na ye hu netete be na me hu a ma adwen etimi twimi say omo ye soul travel edie na I mean it give you to inspire you to even start a soul travel in Ghana edie na hu say nipa ekom ana hu kire ben ana say nipa yira ana say then what really inspired you to bring soul travel?
Okay, so like I said, my life is a journey. I say uko baby a unim. You always get baby a ushia
baby for so we get to a destination. Yeah.
It's my life, I don't really sit to plan say I want to do this. I always find myself in it.
Okay.
And, when we talk about soul travel, the man me and it true pan say I see people go to churches, I see people visit spiritual people. Can be actual whether And I say you are forced to believe it because you don't have any knowledge when it comes to spirituality. See, a show on combi because of come shebintino in Kofo Bebreni or Mabusian, Mamma, and Moyan Toka.
So I before
say before because I can't remember Lady Bia Oba say ne mako sorry I saw on ne nema. Oh. Na ufi abroche ne bae oni nkwala ne ho na hu abroche nkwala nso. Na so for bia ka chon say omo life no ma me ne you see so be so travel and she found out say ne past life na nkwala ne ye ni maid. And nkwala ne ye bibi ti ano no dome nkwala no. Odome nkwala no na wo ba wiase dia wo na ba san be wo san nkwala no adome mu nti na all the time e ka cho bi say wo nim dua ba me modua. Because you will also face the consequence.
Oh wow.
Ubodua na wonu ho a you will face it back. Nti woni akukudua de bodua enko try. Nti nkwala na yare no ba ko ye autism ba ko ye nyoma basabi. Nti o realizing won say ono ne no me na wono me nkwala no. Previous life no. And then enya nkwala no this lifetime na ono anso na abe wo nkwala no. Nti na obi okọ asori exactly okọ asori be kasa o ma me na ye oba as to say
now no.
As to say, at the end, na maame ne yo ana say, o maame ne yo okwan ben so no.
They are not that deep, but they've seen it, but they are not that deep.
Exactly. And no, obey no, she was able to understand. And I'm sharing the also on. So when it comes to your spiritual life, and the ma etitru nti se na be ya nkofo bebre na beti omo ho ase. Nkofo bebre na be hu se be ka se me na me ko hu enye se obi se me se.
Etu ko hu wie na oba wo kai.
Okay, baby, yeah.
To come to say movie. So travel na man for me because I am not a party. I say yes. I want to witness. Who be a one cause when you know about what me can.
Okay, baby, I say share me page so I won't so me na maybe some say ube so travel experience here then no feel master to say or more kasa. Into no ube kai baby I said the enemy shall you never forget it. That's the same way. So travel when they send a wow be hunu near cost or abrab when you be never catch and I think so better abrabo na wo bonase. Now be hunu your real purpose or shabre now the barriers on crab ya the barriers near the titrunti a barriers the oba be ye and in near that when nim nini on bi wo ho ba ye se abusua gold ni ade on ba ye nananum tumi kire no baby a mo nkofa gold no ekwan a mo mfa so ebia enso ye ma obi anko ho eno ntina mo ko ho ana mo won so you are able to discover
what's hidden
things about your life and your family as well.
Okay, enti obi abeye soul travel a odi dance here because I've seen some but I want to hear it from your mouth say bia order wase said na on Jindi but or yes so travel ni we say everything our who dream ni be starting manifesting one abrabo
when no dey say bebre wow and dey bebre ba kokra obeye ye no oye nipa pani ono ane
tuntimi ntwa no
company
obo ho ba untimi
enye twa ne mpo me kire adansidie ba ko
okay
really shocking nipa na yepene won a company or produce enyoma ye use ofie ye bi wo Ghana ha ene abrochire na o se nkofo bi bewia no e bewia no wadwom e bewia no CCTV e capture o no dia o mo hwehwe max so CCTV dey ntumi ntwa max no
dey share inside
but ono kra no ye watumi ache nkofo me ensa o mo da prison but enye anu ntimpo no be ye so travel that was 2 years ago enye anu ntimpo no be ye so travel because nyinsen obaby ana nyinsen na say nyinsen na ira na asa wontumi nwo enu nti kura na de ba be so travel no akohwe
de ntia
but call Rams no he was able to identify Aaron Roberts ni nyina anim amen nkofo miensa na ochi omutum ba ko pe na enye innocent mienu na ye innocent we release yomo
hey
yes.
So that one is it to make us say and I say one kasa okọ rem cinema one nana bi and I say whatever a twa wo ho hia no ebe yi nia ma kire
won say ye kra no ne nam de bia o you see but won say because you are not aware of yourself training you want to sa we into no because won so be hu obi o kasa asama ba hada aseminim ha ya na nkofo bebre chem say
bi ase wahu da but on kai
yes obi wo ho chem say o deja vu che so wa be wi ase da bi wo entesa o kra ne nam wakopie hoda you yourself you are not aware bia oda ye mu akofa ho unconsciously
it's true
yes enti no when it comes to soul travel, like I said, everything is happening within us. And it's like I said, go deep within yourself. Every information is there for you.
No.
Every information is there, because one you are see, you are seeing any baby. I can say you are say any pan never say. In your reas and assassin and say that.
I be work or your manus be ni almost be work when I say generation like
that. I say bra ebia obi abra boss say. Say
a see we a
see ama wana say wawu. Na say wiase na obaye no. Asay ama wo. Aha. Say ka obi wo ho a say nei ebia ma bra bo nyina say bi asay. The medical be yedne. That's
what we are saying.
That's what we are saying. No, there's no life there for you. The kasi we are saying ya na enye de sebi o maka to yasum no. Because wo nipa no na ye we are say. Inua ne haban ne emo e wo we are saying nyina afri nipa mu. Esan se kuro tu wa hasisia na se kuro no wo emia e be fifi nsan man busa ho akwose sansan man ne be gu. Oni pedua na fifi sansan man. So your body create all these area sense and your money efunu na yakosie na adane nwia no enhaban na wo awasie ye ho na he na fibae ni pedua ni mu a so ya na area se no area se ni ye ni pedua ne. So when it comes to soul travel is to discover hidden things about your life. Yes,
when it comes to soul travel is to discover hidden things about your life. You try your home and kwaji aboafo nkrato ye ba ye beto ase. Yakoji enkrato aba oguswa hwede Jenny ewo Adom TV ene ye ni Ola Mame ene ye kasa about soul travel etimpacho afi na wadwani atnase na nche bia de adwumade ebeba awiye. Ola Mame, why to make us here?
Akosimpia sorry.
Akosimpia sorry. Why that wa
ekosimpia sorry.
Simpia sorry. Why not the tone? Why to make us here? I want to know.
Kase to make us here to me yes. To me nyina to me emoduro.
To me nyina
say aboa no ye ko no nye onya aboa ketwa aboa ne modu a woson ye. Me ankasa ne de I'm a buffalo me ye ko. Enti no me to me so
sign ye ko won.
Enya me sign ankasa.
Utumi no.
Enya me to me ne ye ko ba me ankasa me ye ko.
Eh oh.
I want to say obi wo ho ye wo. Obi wo ho ye nsuo, obi wo ho ye mframa, obi wo ho ye ja.
Okay, Matthew.
It's not about sign.
Yes, Matthew no say.
Yes.
Baby a ufi.
O ye free, me ko.
Okay. And the Matthew say.
So ena nyame ncha de me free nananom samando so beri asen beto abusua ye ekon na abusuam.
Ese emu odu.
Ena emu oduru ena me date of birth no so me sign so san ko fole under eko. It's na say me ankasa no me botaya am de beri asen no. Obi o ye nsuo so no akoto e bi ajata bi abusua obi o ye wowo no akoto
obi ye wowo a we ne ho so ye wowo.
Oh, say gay be be soul travel.
Any de enye kwa o.
Until no one say we are very intelligent, but in comfort time no. We ye bibia o more time no. We ye bibia o want na bra bona say okoy no hu so we because since see our one am hakran driver because speed dey afa so. So yeah, na no ka chen say on hwe aboa wo su na on fam na bra because aboa wo de bebi obekọ bia no
yempe na asem obedi ubone
enu ye ondi ubone ono sense danger kana
onka
enti no obi wo da ne ba bi kuro bi kwa koku no enti ma wonte wabrabo say because of ye wo wonti na asase so no yempe wa asem ye normal
enti nipa duam de onya wo won
o se nipa dua de oye nipa ba sunsun mo no ni su eti ni mo no ye wo
na so wo yensuo so
wo yensuo so a obi hu
o ye nsuo so a wo de ye den
se usu no
ye den
e won nsuofo bebre obi ane ne su
wo ye from water child
obi wo ho oye esu a nchine wom esu ne suban obi won so ye su tene esu ne suban obi won so ye su ye da ba bi faako esu ne suban okay enyoma bebre
nti ejade no ejano ne yeso kofa nsu a eno nyina wawe mu no mese mo ko la ma me se bedum ensu ni be kan wa so bedum uja
eno ne zodiac ye ka ekra na
nkasa no
de wu free ne padua ma de be free wu akọ no be bia be kọ no te se me se me wu a me kọ akọfra ekuo mu ane mu won wuram cause me ye kọ and until no see from my bones and I'm a ring no. So because on that one or ring when the moja run or warrior.
But who you so about that in the baby
free more. We are from Marco. Baby, you free bus. Yes, exactly.
So I mean, I was saying, Kobe, who way. Now, who said you would do a brabo? Yeah,
exactly.
Wow. Hey, I me who say, Obiti me bow and chain, not on nim crady or ye. I've seen that in two, or mammy, you know, or most swabe yet, not or more of fret. But no mumpo nim say so we then now discover so be about say you have a calling or calling near now free
reading so bo a friend and so so bo wa dane so for so a friend e dane so no because of Brenna or brewas of die any mo ne de ne nyese obebo ampempem na emo mabu abusua pe. When it comes to spiritual gift, I will say no.
Wow.
Maybe I'll gift in if you do a gift in their man and say obeba be breaking generational curses in their family. Loan and yet about untumi more abundant so for. But our gifts new crown no be any bonus so was spiritual gift. No I started the no sa no they be out be face problems because
enya odie no.
And uncle for ban so dance die bi ama because enya odie no odie ne se fa hwefie. Fabua wabusua for any form of generational curses bia. Obi won so ne de ne ama ne se won fan hwe man ko a.
Let's all be Monday sika.
O say sika like ni tumi no e mba nko na de boa wo mo ntine ma akọ nya e manya dance die da mema ene obi won so ane de ne mema nko anti mema akọ dance die ba gem so you have to know the type of gift you carry. So
obi betimi about then you now are reading amano.
Exactly.
Oh yeah no nko a.
Yeah reading consultations over ye be share e bi o ho na the type of gift that you carry. To say me say I came purposely to be a midwife for souls. Na say meji akra me makra e be hu no mo ho so
wo de entem
me can say I me entem me ho entem.
What inspired you to take this serious? Because what's in up say what marketing aka marketing sika wo ho pa marketers ni ade but o de ni nyina to ho be accountant o be whatever and you focus on your calling and no be any who calling no. Most people are doing different things that is not where they supposed to be. It will be oya na chia oya na yesi any so be na but enye ne free nti ya be omo ye adwuma ye omo free it becomes very easy. They don't struggle to do it. It's very easy. We go kusua ko mu school emfa but oye ne very 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 easy nti ye dempa na wutimi ye say this is my calling, I need to go for it because and go for be so dey eba or ade no ya kan was menye.
Yeah, like I said, I always walk myself into
the situation.
Exactly. So I just found myself there, and
that's what nananum do chipa.
Me say
2 years ago, just remember.
Abemu bo ni mo, abemu bo kra no mo she nkrai.
Mo she nkrai. See am mesia de na me se me. Ye koye reading. Akoye soul travel. It's Mr. Wa owo no. Ma ye nyina ye take your spiritual life very very serious. Ye ntwa ye ho enkwaje nkwato ye ba enche bia de dwumadie no ebe kwawe ye. Yakwaje enkwato aba ogutwa the Journey TV show on Adom TV and ye ni Olamame the queen of soul travel in Ghana and the baby I mean odia famu season way there just say yes ye ramu na ye nyina yesua de ti baby ade bebo bia no ye de beba na ye nyina ye ne atofo asua de na yetimi afa bi ade aboye bra enche bia ye de dwumade ne ebe kwari yetimi sro watena sia ye nwie preko na ye nsua ade Olamame before obekọ no ade na obeka kire ye nyina about spirituality there are nkofo bi omo ye change fo papa obi aka asema kire no obedi chinje saa ade akomakowu anaso oye bibi ye obi beka asema kire no obedi chinje na me de hwe ntimi nyame especially those that say hwe ni wiase na hwe ntimi nyame no ade na obeka kire omo
hwe ni wiase yanka sanke ni ha ye ni pa wo wiase ntini kire se bibi wo wiase entino wiase de bia meka se opese wunya nimdia endia chinye se untumi nnimu nchen obi na obi nso ntumi nnim nchen because ene ebia last year ka woto ya de ya kaka bensem ene twam entino mama yensua de na afen so no mama yen do yankasa ye ho because we ahunu se ne abedo ho a afoforo nso no the reason why people extend helping hand at the end of the day no Yeah, the bonitri omo kind of said they don't love themselves. So omo obian don ho. Na afin so yama yesunsum sem so nya dey in here because who asasi so na we yakaka bensem who kwa na be so wonya obia. You see, you might be a powerful person here on earth, but in the realms of the spirit you might be nothing. The senior woo ni peduano asase gene ni peduano busasa wo kra na etu moma wo home na woda osunda ye no de na free wo mu nti aye kase wawu bisa ho sa question no na se bibi free wo mu
so no ko
ene nti na ma ye pronounce wo say wawu nti sa de na free mu no ekọ he nti wo se wo hwehwe baabi papa ma sa de no aya na wo mpembe bra mo se ye ba deja he ama deja and young quadrijan so that ye basi ye behwehwe bibi nti when we are coming we had a purpose and our purpose doesn't make us naked. It's in my home say yeah but ye the botaye bi na ba asase so we are here to look for a key, and when you are able to enter back, that key will open doors for you in the realms of the spirit.
Ye dasi pa ansa na ye beko no if you are the oba your mouth a flower catch or say your door pie, we appreciate what you are doing. This is your flower. I feel so your mouth the journey for mouth citation so qua now the aboha my a hamper from your sponsor say yeah from mouth just say they appreciate you it's me pacho obi wo ha or share or per se ombra soul travel ombra consultation and ombra hwehwe na bra bom nipa no number ben e na obefra na hefa kra na wo
me wakaswa opekoma normal obefre 0554 867837 0554 867837 and 0204 738854 0204 738854.
Okay, me patch number no so na your director idea to screen the so no. Etim patch so we hwe ola mame a friend no friend na o se me hwe wa abena ho. Me pese membra be your consultation. Mama ye nyina ye nko ne ye nko ye consultation. Na ya brabo no 2025 ye di akaka krai entimi nye ye ne February 2026 na ye nyina ye ndi nko. Ola mame ne pe ba ko mienu bia wo be kira no. Na ye fa dwumade ne kware ye.
Me chia Abena Ghana nyina chia kwana busuafo me chia ekwo mafo nyina.
Okay, osi ochia ekwo emafo nyina wo so wotena fie ehwe adwumade nyame enhura wo pass abribia moje Britnas na mo hwa Abena Ghana wo the Journey TV show so afa me sponsors nyina nyame enhura mo me crew Adom TV and everyone watching obi a was supporting for all these years nyina nyame enhura mo pam aha and abreba me adwumade asimidi e de Abena Ghana abunofo agudie brekum de hye that's ne mesan e de ade foforo abro me say the journey we are here to inspire, motivate, and educate. Macro, that's an yes, I share.
The journey.